Welcome to the Dr. USP YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I ask you to kindly consider subscribing to the channel. So from today, I'll be starting this Statistics Made Easy with Excel section. And we begin with where is data analysis in Excel. So let's get going. So let's start working on the Excel sheet. Now this is what the default Excel sheet looks like. When you open the Excel sheet, this is where it opens. It opens on the home button and this is what we see. But the most important button here is not the home button. For our Excel analysis, we'll be using the data button. So on clicking data, this is the ribbon you get, and the most important thing here is this data analysis button, and this is where the entire statistical tests are. But there's a catch. This data analysis is not there by default. So to launch the data analysis tab, you need to make certain small adjustments in the option section. So let's do that. So on clicking the options tab, you come to this window, and that is where you get the add-in tab. And inside the add-in, you'll get this manage add-in. And that is where once you click on to manage add-in, go. So you click on go from there. And here you just need to check the analysis tool pack, and that's all. Once you click OK, you will get data analysis there on the ribbon, and that's what we want. And once it's there, we are good to go. We are good for any statistical test. So let's click on data analysis. This is what we get here, descriptive statistics, and this is what we are starting off in today's demonstration. In coming weeks, I will talk about all these different tests, and these are very, very simple tests. It can be done in a matter of minutes. So clicking on the Descriptive Statistics tab opens up another dialog window, and that asks for a very important thing, the input range. So in our data set here, we are trying to find out the descriptive statistics for the age variable, which is there in the E column. So we'll have to tell Excel that which are the columns and rows which has my data. So it is from E1 to E90. So I'll have to specify that, and that's all I have to put in. And once I do that, I'll have to check that the first row is a label, and that's very important. If we don't do that, we'll get an error message. After that, there are just two small instructions I have to provide. One is where do I want my output, and the output could be on the same sheet where I'll have to provide the exact cell where I want my output, but it's often desirable to get it on a new worksheet. So here I will click on the new worksheet, and I'll get the output immediately onto a new worksheet. So that's what I have to specify, and I also check their summary statistics. So here are the results of the descriptive statistics. I get the detailed descriptive statistics of the age variable, and as we can see here, the mean is 37.84. So as we can see here, the median is 37, which is very close to the mean. So this means that there are not too many outliers. And also the skewness is 0.24. That means we have a normal distribution here. So that's all, friends. Thanks a lot for watching, and keep looking out for more such videos in the future, and hope to have you back again in the future. Thank you very much.